Welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I have some happy mail. This was hand delivered since the postal strike is on. We can't get happy mail in the mail these days, but my husband brought this home for me from work. Our client knows that I do this junk journaling stuff and crafting. So they sent me the Christmas cards that I posted a video of not too long ago, and now they've sent me this. So there's this little gift tag of a teddy bear playing, well, it looks kind of like he's playing the drums, but then when you look closer it's a can of paint or something. It's really cute, and with the little green ribbon. And then Victorian Christmas 20 gorgeous color postcards. So this will be fun to play with. And this is a nice cardstock book, I guess you would call it. It's quite large. I'd say it's maybe normal width. It's 9.5, a little wider than normal, by 13, almost 13.5. So it's a big book. And it's got a little introduction here. 1993 is when it was first published anyway. And it's not really a book, it's just, well, it is, but it's all postcards. So the first page opens up and then opens up, and this is all perforated. So there's 8 postcards on this folded page. Really nice vintage images. It's pretty glossy, but the images have like a dull coloring to them, so they look old-timey. And then the backs are just a place for a stamp, and then it tells you a little bit about it, I guess. Christmas has come from Victorian Christmas 20 gorgeous color postcards. So it just tells you that it came out of this book. I was thinking maybe it was like famous images, then it was going to tell you where it came from originally, but it must just be either they don't know where it came from originally, or they're just done in this old-fashioned style. You can see there that one's just about to tear, but that's okay. I'm probably going to tear them apart anyway. And then, hello, Father Christmas, are you there? So like when you talk on the phone, hello. And we got some bears making a snowman. We got Santa filling some stockings. And then the back side here, we got a little girl that's fallen asleep with her baby doll. Yeah, these are great. Great images, so much fun. And then the back cover of the book is also 4 more postcards. So we got Father Christmas, Joyful Yuletide, and it shows the kids in their beds, and a couple of snowman and snow woman. And then this sweet little girl walking in the snow. So that was a nice little surprise, especially since we're not able to get happy mail right now. So I encourage you to do that. If you know anybody that's local to you, that you know they normally do happy mail, and maybe you don't normally do happy mail with them because you live so close to them, maybe now's a great time to drop a little package at their door and give them a little lift, because we can all use it when we don't have the happy mail greeting us at the mailbox. So that's a good way to a good thing to do, is just to drop off something to a friend. I did that about a month or 2 ago with my friend Kimberly, who I made the Mentos journal for, and it was something we used to eat a lot in high school together, Mentos candies. So I made her a Mentos journal and dropped it off where she works as a surprise. So you can do that kind of thing. I know a few people that are in my area that do this, and I just may do that myself. So just a little Happy Mail Monday message for you, and just perfect timing because I needed Monday videos for December. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.